want to invest in the S&P 500 index fund but don't know where to start? Let me break it down for you in simple, clear steps. Step 1. Understand what the S&P 500 is. The S&P 500 is a list of 500 of the biggest and most successful companies in the U.S., including Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. When you invest in the S&P 500, you're not buying one stock, you're buying tiny pieces of 500 companies all at once. It's one of the safest and most popular ways to grow your money over the long term. Step 2. Choose the right platform. To invest in an S&P 500 index fund, you need to open an account with an investment platform, also called a brokerage. Some popular options are Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, Webull, E-Trade. These apps and websites let you buy index funds from your phone or computer just like online shopping. Step 3. Pick the right fund. Search for an S&P 500 index fund inside the app. Some common ones are VIX from Vanguard, PhysiX from Fidelity, Swaps from Schwab. SPY or VU, both are ETFs which work just like index funds. Each of these follows the S&P 500, but fees and minimum investments might differ slightly. Pick one that matches your budget. Step 4. Fund your account. Now it's time to deposit money. You can start with $50, $100, or more depending on the fund you choose. Some platforms let you invest with as little as $1 using something called fractional shares. Connect your bank, transfer the amount you're comfortable with, and you're ready to invest. Step 5. Invest and hold. Once your money is in the account, click Buy on your chosen S&P 500 fund. That's it. You now own a piece of the top 500 U.S. companies. Let your money sit and grow over time. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned around 7% to 10% per year, on average, after inflation. Bonus tips. Reinvest your dividends automatically. Most apps allow this. Set up monthly auto investing. Even $50 a month can add up. Stay consistent and don't panic during market drops. Long-term growth is a goal. Conclusion. Investing in the S&P 500 is one of the easiest and smartest ways to build long-term wealth. You don't need to be an expert, just follow these steps. Start small and stay consistent. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more financial guidance made simple.